Ready, everyone? Am I audible? अच्छा ये बंदर बच्चा अपनी छाप छोड़ के रखा है. Okay, beta, definite integrals, I'm starting, please. Now look here, in definite integrals, you know that already in first class I have discussed indefinite integrals. Ma'am, can you close the gate, please? In definite integrals, we have a lower boundary and an upper boundary. Means lower limit and upper limit will be existing in definite integrals. Okay, just let me share. Yes, beta. Good evening, Sanjana. Now look here. So definite integrals is one of the most important topics of integration calculus. So now let's talk about it. इतनी जल्दी क्यों? Late हो गया? Now look here. So for definite integrals, some property-based questions we are going to do. But before that, some questions of NCRT we are going to solve for definite integrals. Like if somebody will be giving you x e to the power x dx given. Okay. Now we know that without integration we can solve it easily. Like 0 to 1, x e to the power x is given to you and you need to integrate this one out. So when integration you are going, that means you are going to go with eyelet method. So now what you are going to do here is, good evening Tanish. Now look here beta. So what next we are going to do here is, we will be working on a, yeah, we'll be working on a very important thing. Bye bye. Now look here, beta. So here one work we are going to do with, we will keep it outside, we will solve and then we will substitute it. So here we know that ILATE is there. So here when you will be comparing this ILA, so algebra will come, exponent will come afterwards. So this one will become U and this one will become V. Okay. So one part will become U and this part will become V according to the formula UV dx. You know that u, here it will become v dx minus differentiation of u integration of v dx will be there. So what I am doing now, I am never writing it. Sivaranjani, good evening beta. So I am never writing integral part. You just remember one thing, lower limit upper limit I am not writing here, because if lower limit upper limit writing means two integration regions are there. So till there I am not writing lower limit and upper limit. What I am doing here is, if you see very clearly, what I'm doing is, without that integral, I'm just integrating it as normal integration. So when I'm integrating it, here it will become what, u, this part will become u, this part will become v. So x e to the power x dx minus differentiation of x with respect to x, integration of e to the power x dx and e to the power x. Now x e to the power x minus e to the power x dx, and then overall x e to the power x minus e to the power x is coming. So when you will be solving like this, it will come like that. Okay, so now Sadhana, good evening beta. So here only one small work you need to do. Now you have definite integral 0 to 1. So when you will be solving here itself, you can put here definite integral. Once integration is done, here you can write 0 to 1 and here you can write 0 to 1. So after opening the boundary limit, you can write 0 to 1 there. And once you are writing here 0 to 1, means here this part will come between 0 to 1. Check this one out. X e to the power x will come between 0 to 1, and here e to the power x will come between 0 to 1. So here beta it will become e, and here e to the power 0, e to the power 1, because x to the power 1, and here 0 into e to the power 0. Here 1 into e to the power 1 minus e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0. So like this will be there. That final answer what will come? It will come as e. This section will become 0, then minus e, and then this minus into minus will become plus e to the power 0. E to the power 0 is 1. So overall answer is coming as 1. So like this, you need to solve the question. Please remember this one. So like this, you need to solve the question. So whenever such questions will be given to you, you need to solve this question with this perfection. It will be solved very easily. Okay. So this is about integration, beta. Definite. Yeah. Yes. This is that part is there. Now one more question. Yesterday, Madesh has shown me some questions. So I'm doing those questions. Specifically, some questions were very important. So I will be starting with properties. So I let see definite integrals are having some properties, and with the help of those properties, the question solving will become much easier. Okay. So one by one, we will solve with property, and then we will get the answer. So I hope you have understood. So first property I am going to, ma'am, please kindly close the gate. Ma'am, close the gate, ma'am. If any students are coming, miss, you inform that I am here, but please close the gate. Now look here, in presence of property, the questions will become much easier. So we will be using property and we will try to solve the questions. The first question here is the first property, properties of definite integral. In that first property is कि when you will be taking a lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x dx. So this is lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x dx is there, beta. Then this will be equal to a to b f of t dt. That means for change of variable will not change anything. That means either you write an integration with x or you write integration with t with the same lower bound and upper bound with same function, it does not change anything. That's the most important thing here. So like if somebody will be writing here 0 to 1 e to the power x dx, it will be equal to 0 to 1 e to the power t dt. That means what, beta, what you have changed here? Logically you have not changed anything, where only one small work you have done. What you have exactly taken variable here x, here you have taken variable t. Lower limit, upper limit, everything is same. You have taken e to the power x dx here, and here e to the power t dt. Means everything remains the same here. Only e to the power x dx, here e to the power t dt. Tanish, I hope you might have understood this one. So this is exactly property number 1. So property number 1 says this only. Okay. In property number 1, it is just like, okay, fine. If we will be changing the variable, it does not make any sense and it does not change anything. I hope you might have understood. We will go with property number 2, which is a very crucial property. Okay. So this is property number 1. In this property number 1, nothing big is there. Just in integration is independent of variable. This is what is property number 1, that integration is independent of variable. Integration is independent of variable. Independent of variable in the sense it is not having, integration is independent of variable, means it is not having any like if you will write x or t, answer will change. If the function is same, lower integral, integral is same, that means lower limit and upper limit is same, means the answer comes same no matter it is which variable. Okay, that is the first one. Now order of integration, this is exactly second one. The second rule is order of integration. In that second rule, order of integration, order of integration. In order of integration, you need to understand one thing here. Like if you will be starting from a to b, f of x dx. Now if you will be exactly trying to change the lower limit and upper limit, then it will be awarded with a minus. It will become b to a f of x dx, a to b f of x dx, and here it is coming as b to a, but only one thing will be there, minus will come outside. Only one important work will be done, and that is minus will come outside. Understood? So here this is the second one. The second part is very important, lower limit to upper limit. If it is f of x dx, then if you will be changing it, it will become minus b to a f of x dx. This is what is very important property. Understood? This is the second property which we will be using it. Okay. Now next comes the third property. If somebody will be asking you about the third property, the third property is also very important, but yes, exactly applications will be when you will be doing area bounded regions, where you will be bounding the integrals, there you will be using this property. Okay. So let's check this one out. What is the third one? The third one is just like a to b f of x dx is there. At that particular moment, what and all work you are doing, just check this one out. Now any function is there, it is coming as a to b f of a to b f of x dx. Now you need to split the interval, you need to split the interval at that particular moment. How you are splitting the part? So you just pay attention here, it will become a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. This is what is exactly connected to. So a to b means it will become a to c and c to b f of x dx. A to c and c to b f of x dx. A to c and c to b f of x dx. This is exactly a to c to b f of x dx. So this is exactly the second one. A simple example I am giving you how we can do this. So here if it is written as 2 to 4 f of x dx, we can split the interval like 2 to 3 f of x dx plus 3 to 4 f of x dx. So this is exactly the way we can split the interval into, we can split the integral into different parts. We can split the integral into different parts. That's the most important thing. So here we are splitting the integrals into different parts. Can you see this? We have exactly split the integrals into different parts. The first part what we have done, 2 to 4. Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. What we did, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Understood? So this is property number 3. Now let's solve some questions related to this. Now look here. One question I am solving, modulus question. Okay. Now listen. If this question is given to you, when we will apply the property, that also we must know now. So 5x minus 3 dx is there. So this is one modulus question is given to you, 5x minus 3 modulus dx. So how we are going to? अरे यार, हिंदी में बहुत कुछ बोल सकती हूँ, बच्चे सब इंग्लिश में समझते हैं, मैं क्या करूँ बताओ? ये भी बता ही दीजिए आप, हिंदी जानते हैं बट स्टूडेंट्स हैं तमिलनाडु के, तो वहाँ पे क्या किया जाए? हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बोलो. ओके. ना लुक यार, अभी कल टेस्ट है इन लोगों का, परसों. अगर मैं भी हिंदी इंग्लिश का एक्सपेरिमेंट किया ना, सब कूटेंगे मुझे अच्छे से. Now look here. So modulus of 5x minus 3 is there. So where modulus of 5x minus 3 is there, take this, make it equal to 0 and then interval. Okay. Now look here. First thing is f of x minus 3 equal to 0. Take this internal part, make it f of x minus 3 equal to 0. So f of x will be equal to 3, x will be equal to 3 by 5. Now go for left of 3 by 5 or right of 3 by 5. So that means what? For lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. So when you will be going left off, see, in this integral part you must remember, here 0 and 1 is there now. So when 0 and 1, so 0 is the lower limit and 1 is the upper limit. Okay. Now modulus section f of x minus 3, make it equal to 0. Okay. Now, good evening. Now look here. So 5x minus 3 will become equal to 0. So 5x minus 3 will be equal to 0 means x got a value that is 3 by 5. Now lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3. Now if you will go left of it, modulus will release with negative sign. F of x is equal to minus 5x minus 3. Okay. And when you will go right of it, f of x will become 5x minus 3. This is plus. So this is most important thing must be remembered. Okay. Answer is 12. Very good, Deepak. So now look here. So what we are going to do here is I have just solved without ChatGPT ना. Now look here. So now here one important thing is, पता नहीं क्या हो गया है हम सबको. 0 to 3 by 5. Here left of it is there. So it will become minus 5x minus 3 dx plus 3 by 5 to 1. Here it will come plus 5 of x minus 3 dx. Okay. That means what the boundary limit we have generated, left of it and right of it. Tanish, did you understood this one out? So now we will now separate it out. Minus we will take out. It will become minus 5, 0 to 3 by 5 x and minus into minus plus 3 dx 0 to 3 by 5 plus now here it will become 5x. So if we will take out 5 outside, x 3 by 5, 3 by 5 to 1, and this is dx minus 3, and that is 3 by 5 to 1 dx. Only Deepak has given the answer. What about Tanis and all those who are present? See, my examination is there or your examination is there? Everybody, please try. So minus 5, it will come x square by 2, and here 3 by 5, 0, and here plus 3, x 3 by 5 and 0, plus 5. Now here x square by 2, 3 by 5 and 1, and then minus 3, x 1, 3 by 5. So after this calculation part, only one answer I received. Now look here, minus 5, here it is coming minus 5 by 2 taken out. Now x square means 3 by 5. First time I am solving, so I am explaining everything. So here when you will be solving x square part, so 1 by 2 will come out. So because x square by 2 is there, 2 is constant, so 2 will come out. It will become minus 5 by 2. Now x square means one time you have to put upper limit value instead of x. So it will become 3 by 5 whole square minus now lower limit value 0 whole square plus now here 3 one time instead of x you are putting 3 by 5 then minus 0 plus 5 by 2 again it is coming out as 2. Here it will become one time you will put here upper limit value is 1 square minus 3 by 2 whole square and then plus 3 one time it will become 1 minus 3 by 5. I hope you might have understood this one. So once you will be starting this question, please kindly understand that when you will be starting the question will be proceeding to this pattern only. Okay, fine. Now look here. We'll go with the next part, please. Hello? Live class, sir. Live class. So when you will be proceeding in this matter, so how we are going to write this, please kindly go with it. So minus 5 by 2, 9 by 25, here directly it is coming as 9 by 25. So minus 5 by 2 into 9 by 25, okay? And then 0 part will be cancelled, plus 3 threes are 9 by 5, and then here plus 5 by 2, here it is 1 minus 9 by 25, done? And then plus 3 here 5 minus 3 that is 2 by 5, that's it. So just check this one out, Deepak is correct or I am. So here it is coming as minus 9 by 2 5s are 10 plus 9 by 5 multiply this 2 up and down and here 5 by 2, 25 minus 9 that is 16 by 25 and then here 3 plus 2, 6 by 5, 3 into 2, 6 by 5. Now just did like this, here it is coming as 5. Let's check the final answer, minus 9. If I might have done anything here and there, 18 by 10 and here it is 16 by 10 plus 12 by 10. So all I have converted into 10. Final phase, please. What answer is coming? Come on, go for it. Final phase, what is the answer coming is 13 by 10. Okay. Now let's check how 13 by 10 is coming. So here, check this one out. Total part is coming as 12 plus 28, 28, 38. Check this one out. It will not be that, sir. Anyone else solved? Check this one out. Tanish, did you got the answer, beta? Only this place minus is the rest of it is plus. Okay, here it is minus. So here it is coming as minus minus 12. So minus 9 minus 12 will come minus 21 and plus 6, 6, 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 34 and 21. It is coming as 13 by 10. The answer is 13 by 10. I am teaching maths. So it is coming as 13 by 10. It is coming as 13 by 10. Please kindly check that one. 13 by 10. Tanis, I hope you might have understood those children who were present online. Please kindly check. This is the way to write, and this is based on the property of split. So what property? Third property we have studied. Based on that third property only, we have solved it. We have resolved it. We split it 0 to 1 as 0 to 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 to 1. Okay, and that is only applicable for modulus question. And here, if you will be going with this, like minus 1 to 1 e to the power modulus of x dx will be there, then 100% again you will be making x is equal to 0. Danish, understood now? So now here, next part when you will be solving, let's check this one out. So here x will be equal to 0. So here minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. So that means modulus part whenever it will be there, what we can do here is when x will be exactly coming 0. So left of it means f of x will become e to the power minus x, and right of it, it will become e to the power x. That's it. Now you can solve this part. Left of it e to the power minus x, and right of it e to the power x. And then you need to only do one thing, minus 1 to 0 e to the power x. This time it will become minus. Exponential part will be negative. I hope you might have understood. See, like this only property you can apply. This property only you can apply. One time it will be negative and one time it will be positive. So here it will become e to the power minus x dx, plus here it will become 0 to 1 e to the power x dx. So directly it will become integration minus e to the power minus x is there. So minus will come out. Okay. And then here 1, 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1, plus here again e to the power x, it is coming 1 to 0. So if you will be substituting it, e to the power 0, if you will be substituting, minus 0 means e to the power 0, and then e to the power minus of minus 1. Okay, and then plus e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0. So here minus 1, minus into minus, minus e, and then here plus e, and then here again minus 1. So here you check this one out, how much value is exactly coming. Tanish, did you got this here? What is the value coming? Final answer. Here minus e, this part is minus of minus will become plus e. So 2e minus 2. Answer will come 2e minus 2. This is for property number 3, because we are understanding property one by one, one by one, one by one. We are understanding the properties. So this was exactly based on third property. So what we have concluded here, till now what was our conclusion is कि when we will be solving using first property, means if we change the integral, nothing is changed. That's the first property. Second property was कि when we will be going up, when we are changing the lower limit and upper limit, the integral is going to award you minus. That's the second property. The third property was कि we can create a break in the integral section. Like if 0 to 2 is there, we will write 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. That's the most important section we have utilized. Okay. Now one question I'm giving, this is NCRT question. Tomorrow school is there, Tanish, or holiday is there? Now it will become 1 to 4 modulus x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3 dx. Now how to handle this question, beta? School, ma'am. Ayo. Full day maths tomorrow. I also plan to keep full day maths tomorrow for your revision. Okay, let's check this one out. Your final limit is what, beta? Between 1 to 4 it is coming. Okay. Now listen. First what we are going to do is just check from here 1 to 4. So lower limit is 1, upper limit is 4. Modulus x minus 1 equal to 0, when you will keep, x will come as 1. So definitely boundary is coming as 1. Next, when x minus 2 is equal to 0, it is coming as 2. When x minus 3 is equal to 0, it is coming as 3. Now you see what we can split. So here you just check this one out. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the intervals are coming. Got it? Now beta, here we have to understand how we are going to split this one out. So just check how we are going to split. 2 minutes. Vishwa? So tomorrow one examination will be there. Now look beta. So here between 1 to 2 we will write. So 1 to 2, if any value are there, you just substitute here 2. 2 minus 1 will become 1. So interval we are going to split the interval like that only, because whatever values will be there in that interval, you need to be taking it as plus minus. Understood or not? Mansi, your friends are waiting for you. I'll be taking, yeah, just 1 minute wait. I'm with, oh, when you will start 10, wait, patience. Integration part. Hi, missing you, madam. 100%. 100%. I will be giving revisions. 2, 3 times we will do revision here. Till this part, how we are going to leave this, huh? So now look here. First you understand Tanis. 1, 2, 3, 4 is coming now. So we need to check when x value will be, because we need to divide the intervals. But first these type of questions one time check Tanish. Okay. So here if x will be, if x will be less than 1, first interval, if x will be less than 1, understood? And then if it will be between 1 to 2, understood? The interval, it will be lower limit will be upper limit, lower limit will be 1, upper limit will be 2, lower limit will be 2, upper limit will be 3. So like this interval will keep on dividing. Okay, then after that it will become 2, 2, 3, and then last coming 3 to 4. That's it. So now in this part, when interval we are assigning, you just check one very important thing. When you will be taking less than 1, when you take less than 1, so here any value of x less than 1, so any value of x less than 1 means we will take less than 1 means 0. So when you are putting 0 here, 0 minus 1 means internal modulus is negative. Here 0 minus 2, again internal modulus negative. Again 0 minus 3, inside part is negative. That means what we are understanding here is that when we are putting the value less than 1, all the internal numbers coming inside the modulus is negative. So what is the shortest way of opening it? We will write, okay, fine, f of x, the modulus values are negative when x value is less than 1. So it will become minus x minus 1, minus x minus 2, minus x minus 3. After you try to solve. Now second one, between 1 to 2. This lower limit is coming between 1 to 2. Between 1 to 2 when we will be taking, we will take 1.5. 1.5 minus 1. 1.5 minus 1 is positive number. So this modulus will be positive. 1.5 minus 2, negative number. So it will come x minus 2. 1.5 minus 3, negative number. So it will become minus 1x minus 3. x minus 3. So these will be negative only. Okay. Now here, third interval between 2 to 3. So when you will be checking between 2 to 3, between 2 to 3, grade 12. Now look here, between 2 to 3, if number we are going to take, the number will be coming as 2.5. Okay. So once the number is coming as 2.5, so 2.5 minus 1, so it will be positive. Now 2.5 and this is also positive. Now 2.5, this is negative, so x minus 3. Now here 3, it is 3 to 4, any number, so 3.5, all this and all will be positive. So x minus 1 plus x minus 2 and then plus x minus 3, all are coming as positive. So this is one of the way we can handle, this is one of the way we can handle modulus. Okay, so modulus will be exactly a testing part for you, but all the internal modulus section you have to take it together. So now finally what it will become, minus x minus x minus x. So overall what it will become, we'll just write the final value. It will come as minus 3x and then plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, total 6. So here minus 3x plus 6. So that means what? When you will start from any integral less than 1. So any integral less than 1 when you will be taking. Less than 1 part means what? Integral less than 1 value when you are going to substitute 1 to 2. Understood? Because 1 to 2 only we are going to start. Lower limit is what? Our lower limit, our that limit value is exactly starting with 1. So less than 1 part means this is coming, minus 3x plus 6 is coming. You please understand this section. Tanish, did you understood this part, beta? How I have taken minus plus? Come on, say. How I have taken minus plus? Did you understood this? 1 to 2 only we will be starting. Minus 1 means minus 3x plus 6 is coming. But we can't take that. Okay? Namaste. So now here it will be like x minus x minus x. So here plus x minus x will cancel, minus x is coming. Now here minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Okay. And then plus 3. It will come minus x plus 4. Now here 1, 2, 2x minus x, it will become x. And there here minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 means 0. And here this part will become 3x minus 3, 2, directly we'll write 3x minus 6. So this part is there, but we need to understand one thing, like, okay, fine, we have opened the modulus according to the interval. Again, I am repeating this question. This is NCERT question, and for CBSE question 2 marks means you will be, it's grade 12 integrals, definite integrals. So now look here. So modulus of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 we have taken, and then integral, our lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 4. So when lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 4, less than 1 means this value is coming, which we are not going to take because our lower limit itself is starting from 1. So since our lower limit itself is starting from 1, we can do one work. It will come with 1 to 2 minus x plus 4 dx plus 2 to 3, because that interval we have taken 2 to 3, and between 2 to 3 this interval is coming, answer is coming as x dx, and plus 3 to 4, and this is coming as 3x minus 6 dx. So first this one will become minus x square by 2 plus 4x, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. Okay, and next part here it will become x square by 2, upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. And then here it will become 3x square by 2 minus 6x, upper limit is 4, lower limit is 3. That's it, bingo. That means here after this only we have to solve the upper limit value, substitute, and then substitute the lower limit value, you will be getting the answer. Okay, so that means what, after this you need to only substitute the value and get the answer. Is this okay for all of you? Come on, Tanish, this is one question, and according to your school part only, I am just giving and defining the content. Is this okay? That means what, beta? Now you have to substitute here too. When you will be substituting here too, what it will become? Minus 2 square by 2 plus 4 into 2, and then minus. Put another bracket. Now here it will be 1. So here, because minus x square is there, na? So here it will become minus 1 square. So minus 1 square by 2 plus 4 into 1. So outside bracket, because upper limit substitution minus lower limit substitution. This you need to remember. And then again plus here 3 square by 2 minus 2 square by 2. Upper limit substitution. minus lower limit substitution. Again 3 by 2 into 4 to the power 2 minus 6 into 4, upper limit substitution minus 3 by 2 into lower limit is 3, so 3 square minus 6 into 3. That's it. So this is upper limit and lower limit substitution you have done. After solving, what answer will be coming? Come on, say fast. Tanish, did you solve? What is the answer coming? I never stopped you. You come, no problem. Who told you not to come? I'm always wanting you people to come. Minus 2 plus 8 minus, it will become what? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 4. So it is coming as 4 to the 8 minus 1, that is 7 by 2. I never stopped anyone. I never stopped anyone. Okay. Now next part, when you will be solving, what answer will be coming? It will be coming as 9 by 4, because here 9 by 2 will be there, minus 4 by 2 will be there. Okay. Plus here 16 into 3, 48 by 2 minus 24 minus 327 by 2 minus 18. Now you need to just check this part out and solve it. Okay, fine. After solving, what will be the answer coming? Let's check the last part, because here only calculation is there, yeah. So only I don't like definite integrals. So here 6 will be there, 6 to the 12. In shortcut, what we will do? 6 to the 12 minus 7 by 2 plus 9 minus, that is 5 by 2, and then plus here it will be 48 by 2, 0 it is coming, and here 21, so minus if we will be solving, here it is coming as 21 minus 2 8 is 16, 36 by 2. So here it is coming 6 minus 1, 5 and 3, so minus 15 by 2. So plus 15 by 2. Let's check what is the final answer coming. 12 minus 7, 5. Check what is the final answer coming. Yeah, that's what I was also wanting. I was also wanting case-based studies, because this question solving means we have to substitute the value. We have to check. We have to keep on finding the definite integral. So based on property, definite integral. This is a calculation based, so definitely it will be taking more time. Okay, just check that one out, beta. One time it will be coming for. So answer will be coming what? 19 by 2. Overall answer is coming as 19 by 2. Got it? So now we will be going for next question. I'm trying to go with the properties first, because otherwise problem will come. So now we will go with the properties. Second property we are going to solve. So property number 4, from here only important properties on question based on property we are standing. So if f of x is a continuous function, just check this one out. For you people, I'm starting it as fast as possible. F of x is what? It is a continuous function defined on closed interval AB. F of x is continuous function, and it is defined in closed interval AB. F of x is continuous function, it is defined in closed interval AB. Then here in school they might have taught you a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is one of the most crucial property. A plus b minus x dx. A plus b minus x dx. This is one of the most crucial property. Understood? A plus b minus x dx. This is one of the most crucial property I told you, and this property will be definitely helping you for solving many different type of questions. So that means what? But it should be closed interval. F of x is defined in the closed interval. Now what are all type of questions are asked in CBSE? First we need to check that type of questions. When you will be seeing that type of question itself, your heart will say apply property number 4. Okay, so now let's see this one. When the question will be coming 1 to 2 root under x root under 3 minus x plus root under x dx. So this is the question given to you. Let's make it equal to I. Okay. So let's make it equal to I. If this question is given to you like this, so first work what we are going to do, application of property. What is the lower limit here? 1. Okay. What is the upper limit here? 2. Got it? So here upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. What is our formula? Sorry, what is our property? F of x is defined in closed interval AB, then a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay. So here what we are going to do, 1 to 2 directly. See, this is integration. We will write it as equation 1. So 1 to 2 we will write here a plus b. So here 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 minus x. Here also we will do like the same thing. E minus 3 minus wherever x is there, we will write 1 plus 2 minus x. Done? And plus here it will become 1 plus 2 minus x dx. 1 plus 2 minus x dx. So it is coming as 1 to 2 root under 3 minus x. And here it will come 3 minus 3 0 root under x plus root under 3 minus x dx. So this part is coming. Now what we are going to do is we will be adding this equation 2 and equation 1. So I first one was this one and I second part is this one after application of property. Now here it will become 2I is equal to now 1 by 2 root under x by root under 3 minus x plus root under I dx, and here plus this time it is 1 by 2 root under 3 minus x by root under 3 minus x plus root under x dx. So now we will add them together means what? 2I is equal to 1 to 2. Numerator denominator part is same, so LCM means same thing will come, root under 3 minus x plus root under x, and here x plus root under 3 minus x dx. So that means this and this will be cancelled. So 2I is equal to integration of 1 to 2 dx. So 2I is equal to x, and this is 2 and 1. So 2I is equal to 2 minus 1. So I is equal to 1 by 2. I is coming as 1 by 2. So this is exactly the solution. Means this is the pattern through which we can solve these type of questions. Did you understood this part? Come on, say. Did you got this? Shall you go with the next question, please? Tanish, okay, I'll solve it. You send the case studies, I will solve the case studies. Based on this, some questions are there that has been asked in CBSE. One more question like this is there. This is one of the most crucial questions like that. So you need to be very, very thorough when you will be solving this question. When you will start live for class 10th, just 10 minutes wait please. I'll start live for class 10th. Okay. Now look here, we will be going for next question. Now when they will be giving you question like pi by 6 to pi by 3 and then 1 by 1 plus root under cot x dx is there. So when they will be giving you this question, how you are going to solve this question. So here pi by, is it visible? Pi by 6, pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus root under x, cos x. These type questions, this question already is NCRT question. This question came in examination. So overall, this question is important questions for you. Okay. So we will be solving these type questions first. Come on. Now look here. So first work is, we will do one thing. We will write pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus cot x will become what? Cos x by sin x. So it will become cos x by sin x dx. So now what we will do? pi by 6 to pi by 3. This will take LCM. Here it will become root sin x plus root cos x by sin x dx. Okay, and that everything is equal to I. Okay, everything is equal to I. So after that, what we are going to do, just check one time, huh? We'll do one small kuti work, and that is, it will go up. It will become I is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3. This will go up root under sin x by root under sin x plus root under cos x dx. Done. Now our formula, because here pi by 6 plus pi by 3, if you will add them together, pi by 6 plus pi by 3, if you add them together, you will see one thing, they are giving pi by 2. Just check this one out now. So pi by 6 plus pi by 3, when you are adding, you multiply this with 2, this with 2, it is coming pi by 6 plus 2 pi by 6. Correct now? Pi by 6 plus 2 pi by 6, this is coming 3 pi by 6. After solving, it is coming pi by 2. So that's it. That's it. That means we are getting pi by 2. And this was what we were wanting. Okay. So now look here. What we are going to do, we will be using our again property. What is the property? F of x is continuous in closed interval. In shortcut I'm writing, okay, continuous in closed interval AB. Then formula was what? F of A to B f of x dx is equal to A to B f of A plus B minus x dx. This was the formula, huh? In very shortest way, in just roughly I wrote, because already in previous question we have done. So I is equal to, this is your equation 1. Done. Now here it will become pi by 6 to pi by 3, sine pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. So it will become directly pi by 2 minus x. Why? Because a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x. So a plus b minus x we are doing. What is a? Pi by 3. What is b? Pi by 6. Okay. Sorry. A pi by 6, pi by 3. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x is there. So that is coming how much? It is coming as pi by 2 minus x. And here also it will become cos pi by 2 minus x. And here plus sine pi by 2 minus x dx. I equal to, it is coming cos x, and this is coming cos x plus sin x dx. Now shall we do one kuti work? Shall we add them together? Shall we add them together? Now look here. We will be adding equation 1 into equation 1 and equation 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2. So when we will add equation 1 and 2, it will become 2i is equal to pi by 3 to pi by 6 to pi by 3, this one and this one. So it will be coming as root under sin x by root under sin x plus root under cos x plus root under cos x by root under sin x plus root under cos x dx. So it will become 2i is equal to pi by 6 to pi by 3 root under sin x plus root under cos x by root under sin x plus root under cos x dx. Cancel. It is coming 2i is equal to x. Okay. Pi by 3 to pi by 6. So here it is coming 2i is equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So 2i is equal to 6 pi, 2 pi minus pi, that is pi by 6. So here I will be equal to pi by 12. I will be equal to pi by 12. I will start 10th class. I'm very much worried for 12th class. Yeah. Okay, fine. Just give me 5 more minutes, please. I is equal to pi by 12 answer coming. Okay, I is equal to pi by 12. Very hurry, I'm solving the question here. I is equal to pi by 12. So this is one pattern question. This is exactly, good evening Unnati. This is one pattern question. Now be like this, many questions will be given. So one question was there in board examination. This question came in CBSE 2023. Okay. So the next question, what I am writing here, Tanish, please kindly pay attention for these type questions. So here 1, 2, 3 root under 4 minus x by root under 4 plus root under this part is there. So 100% answer will be coming accordingly. 100% answer will be coming accordingly. Just check this one out. This question will be solved easily. Same pattern question, because here 3 plus 1 will become 4. How to catch this? That this is exactly based on that formula. You check here 1 plus 3, 4. So definitely lower limit plus upper limit is coming as 4. So once lower limit plus upper limit is coming as 4, means we will be able to solve questions related to it. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. Yaar, one person messaging, another person messaging. 2 minutes can't they give na? Seriously. Shall we go? Today 10th class leave. Seriously. Hey, not leave, just kidding you. Tanish, how many properties we have finished? We have discussed 4 properties now. Hmm? So next properties we will do in next part. Tomorrow most probably I'm going to do the properties with area bounded region part. Okay, whatever question doubts are there, quickly send me in my mobile. I will be solving and sending you. Come on, with case studies. Bye everyone. I'll start class 10th now.